watched quite a few flat earth versus ball earth debates. One thing I'll say is, for all those that believe in the spinning ball and that want to debate this, before you even start your debate, before you even go to any details, prove your ball earth with any type of video or imagery. There are none. With all the trillions of dollars over the years spent by NASA, why do we go on YouTube or on NASA's website and all we have are animation? Animation. Animation. Okay? Animation of the spinning ball. Show some real footage before you go into any lengthy, drawn-out debate proving your points. Don't forget, science is based on observation and experiment. All you're doing is blowing a lot of hot air. Can't even prove with video footage that we live on a spinning ball. But you want to debate all day for hours and hours that we live in a spinning ball. First off, let's take a look at this animation that I saw here. World spinning animation. This person, I'm sure without a shadow of a doubt, believes we live on a spinning ball that created this animation. And look at this. They don't even know the foundation of the lie of the ball earth. It's spinning towards the west. According to science, the earth is supposedly spinning towards the east. They can't even get this right. Good enough, smart enough to be able to create this animation, but don't even know the simple fact that we're supposedly spinning towards the east. Give me a break. Now again, take a look at this footage of this animation created. I had to reverse it in the supposed correct direction the earth is spinning on. Give me a break. Someone that believes in the flat earth has to correct someone that believes in the ball earth. What a complete joke. Now, one thing I want to touch upon is supposed flight paths. A lot of people talk about east-west flight paths. One thing I want to talk about is north to south. For example, you're in LA and you go to Montreal. Say, spend a week here. And after a week, you want to fly back to LA. Are you flying back to the same exact location? Or do you have to locate LA on a spinning ball? If you're a pilot, basically, again, have to locate LA on the spinning ball. Give me a break. There's no way. And I already know what some ball earth believers are going to say. As the earth supposedly spins, the airplane is moving with it. Okay, then explain this here. Supposed ISS capturing this footage, this time-lapse footage of space. Where are all the satellites that are supposedly orbiting Earth? So before you want to debate your orbiting satellites are spinning around Earth, before you want to talk about a ball Earth, prove your ball Earth. Prove your satellites. You can't. Don't exist, like I stated many times. Now take a look at all these images of supposed ISS and satellites in space. Not a single real one. And notice the majority of all these images, they're going to show the fake, phony ball Earth. This is what it's all about. Talking about fake and phony. Let's take a look here at supposed ISS. For all those that believe in ISS, where is the footage of supposedly NASA constructing this supposed space fortress? For all those that believe in space, this is something historic, something you want to capture in a time capsule. Very significant supposed achievement. And what do you have? No footage of the supposed construction of ISS. Let's go back in time here. Just for comparison's sake, let's take a look at the Titanic. Going back to the early 1900s, what do you have here? You have footage of construction taking place. I mean, obviously, it's not a hoax. You see real images going back to what, 1912 and that time frame, and you see it. But as far as ISS, you got nada. You got zip, you got zilch, you got goose egg. For all you NASA lovers that believe in fairy tales, you believe in unicorns, you believe in the pot at the end of the rainbow, you believe in this fake, phony, CGI animated garbage. Satellites are real because we have a CGI image of one. So it must be real. Show me evidence of a real satellite. You can't. And don't tell me, I've seen them with my binoculars. I've seen them with my telescope. Show images. Have NASA produce them, not little dots in the sky. Why does it NASA, supposed astronauts in space, Why don't they whip out a camera, pan around, and get video footage of one of these supposed satellites? They can't, because there's none up there. So all you people that believe in NASA and ISS and satellites, all we get are fake images that you take as real. For all those that might ask, if you don't have satellites, how does GPS work? It's very simple. Ground towers, underwater fiber optic cables. You want to give this illusion of space. It supports evolution. A flat Earth with a dome, a firmament, supports your career. That's what it's all about. People don't want to admit they've been lied to. Too much pride, too much ego to admit they've been deceived. That simple.
It's the edge of the world in all of Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in a final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells Californication. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. In Cobain, can you hear the spheres singing songs off station to station? And Alderon's not far away, it's Californication.
You're going the wrong way! What? You're going the wrong way!